say hi to Sugar the Great Dane. She's our 13-year-old Great Dane. And she knows when the mower's running, she goes away. Alright, I just lowered it down into the cutting position. This is how we're going to get over stumps and rocks if we need to. Down, and then it floats in its normal position. And these are great mowers. You don't have to mow at a really high rate of speed at all. You can hear my tractor's basically just kind of a little bit over an idle. Look at that cut. So, put on new sickle blades on this last year. We're going to get in some real heavy stuff here in a little bit. I see my swath board sticking straight up. I need to fix that. Hopefully it'll fall here in a minute. I'm going to make my first cut on the tree line, and then we'll make the secondary cut, and then we'll start making the hay cuts where we've got our windrow. And I'm probably going to have to put that board down so that I get a good swath path. There she goes. So not this cut, but my next cut. And when I flip around, my swath board will be doing the, be making the row for me to have my head down here in, so that I get a nice consistent path every time. Okay, I've made my two cuts along my tree edge and getting ready to cut some hay. So what I've done is I've actually reversed, and maybe what you can see the swath that the swath board is making. So when we make our next path, that is where this head of the mower is going to be riding, and then I'm going to be cutting in the fresh hay 7 foot across. So I'm going to show you what this looks like as we go forward. So these first two paths, we're in this direction. Now I'm turned, I'm making my swath. I'll stay in this path for the rest of this field. Nice and easy. Alright, we're going into the next path. So you can see where the swath board went. So now, that's where my head is on this path. And then you can see it laying it down 7 feet out. So I have a perfect little line where that head can run and no clogs. Plus the importance of having good ledger plates, good sharp blades, makes a world of difference. Laying it down nicely. Turning to the inside, nice slow turn. You make outside turns, it's going to turn real fast on you. I always recommend you try to make your turns to the inside. Look at this nice path. This is where I'm cutting the real heavy stuff. Laying it down. Alright, here we come again. We're 7 foot out. Right on the tire line. The way I've got this tractor set up, this is just a Ford 2000 utility tractor. So I've got that head running right at this back tire. So I know if I stay on the inside of this path, my head's riding right in that. I'm missing a lick. It's a pretty sight. So I want to stop here and just kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. That head running down where your grass board, your swath board just made the previous cut. Nice and clean. See mine? I've got it set right outside this tire, so when I'm driving, I know I can save 6-8 inches off of this. I'm going to make a clean cut all the way. And this is your result laid down. So yeah, I hope that helped you with the 451 Sickle Mower. There is no telling how many years and how many acres of grass I've cut with this thing. They're phenomenal mowers. Any of the parts you need for these things, dnmsupplyinc.com. We sell all the blades, swap boards, parts, heads, the whole 9 yards. We specialize in hay equipment. Or if you have just a general email you want to send, it's info@dnmsupplyinc.com. All right, have a good one, guys. I'm gonna finish mowing this field.